guys, I'm Urvi and I'm 24 years old. Currently, I'm a project manager slash copywriter at my dream company. And I am also a certified crazy cat lady because I have 3 cats.
Hi, my name is Khanna. I'm 23 years old. I'm a computer engineer. I'm really passionate about cricket.
Of course, I'm gonna have to go to my favorites because she's my absolute favorite in life. This is my favorite picture of her and me. This was from Goa a couple of months ago, and this was on a family trip that I wasn't supposed to join them on because I was very caught up with work. But she always tells me and forces me to put myself first.
In 3 words, I would say first would be loving. My mom is very loving. She's always been since I was a kid, and she's very warm, I would say. Warm would be the second one. Third would be enthusiastic. I think she's always charged up. She's always so excited. It could be the silliest thing like her favorite show or something. She'll be so charged up. She's like a kid, honestly. And she's very cute, man. I honestly miss her.
Hello?
Mama,
1 second, what?
come by,
Guys?
I wanted to
Who did
surprise
this?
Oh
you.
my-
You spoke of me and see, I'm
I
here.
was just talking about it.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Lavina Shah. I'm this crazy cat lady's mother. Hello everyone, I'm Smita Khanna and I'm a nutritionist by profession.
So now we are moving to the next segment, that is the game. Just to know how well you know your mom.
Wow, this is a lot of
Best
pressure.
of luck.
Oh god, okay, let's see how this goes.
Yeah.
The first question is, were you planned? Show me yours. I had a feeling, but
Okay.
that's a little sad.
I really didn't think you would know that.
No, I know.
I should hope so.
You don't know
Yes.
it?
Okay,
We
thank God.
discussed
This
it,
is
yeah.
some clarity.
When your mom was young, what was her dream job? Shobi,
What is that?
MUA,
What is MUA?
makeup artist.
Oh my god, please. That
This-
time
okay,
there
no,
was no
I'll tell-
trend of makeup artist.
No, but 1 second, guys. Let me just clarify this.
Don't
she
you
used
remember?
to steal her Masi's lipsticks
Huh,
from
that,
her
yeah,
drawer
okay.
and draw. I don't know what
I
you
used to
but you ruined
scribble
it.
on the mirror and everywhere. But
Exactly.
That no. I had told you that I wanted to become a lawyer.
No, that was Papa's dream.
No, it was my dream.
That's not true, guys.
So then you have got it mixed up. Papa's dream
I
was
don't know
never
what to
to
say
become a
now
lawyer.
because I'm a little embarrassed, but
She
I
doesn't
still
know me.
I
Oh
still
my
stick by
God.
this because I think you'd make a really good makeup artist. So that's a compliment to you.
Yeah,
Hello.
I know. Anyway, you got to know me now.
What can I say?
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Oh.
Teach. आप modeling आपका था मैं
हाँ,
आपको
but that
बताया
was
था।
my secret dream job.
Oh, secret.
And this was my one which I
But
pursued.
dream is
Oh,
dream.
I wish I could write this.
What is your mom's go-to self-care activity? What? Okay, show me.
Okay.
Did you write spirituality or
No,
something?
actually, it's a self-care. Now, I don't know if this is considered as self-care.
It
But
is.
I'm sure walking.
Okay, 1 second. But she also whips up these crazy face masks and
Yeah,
all
yeah,
every
yeah,
day,
yeah,
like
yeah. I
the
do that.
tomato masks
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all. So I think I get this one.
Yeah. You're
Like,
not
walk
wrong.
is so
You're not
basic.
wrong. Definitely not wrong because I do a lot of home remedies.
Exactly. I think you should change your
And,
answer right now.
Yeah, no, but then for me, self-care is also walking. which
Okay,
I
but
give
you can have a lot of.
But
ways.
you are right. You're
Yeah,
right.
I'm right.
Yeah, you are right
Please.
because I do a lot of this do-it-yourself masks. You know, the home remedies.
Yeah, so
I can
like-
give you tips on that if you want.
Yeah,
You know?
I mean,
So basically, you
look it
grate a tomato. You know, put little drops of lemon juice and
Okay, I
put it
think
on
we
your
can
face.
move on
then
now.
you grate a potato and then just squeeze out the juice and put it on your face. I have a lot of remedies. See, that's why I've got a nice glowing skin. No?
That is true. That
Then she's
happens
got
to
it
her.
from me. So
Yeah, which is
Right.
why I am.
So you give her a
excited
mark.
about
Yeah, don't because she's very right. Huh? She's very right about that.
that. So I get 2 out of 3, right?
Yeah.
Now, sure.
Fashion clothes.
Yes, I know.
I knew it. I knew it. This one. It's like
I know.
pretty obvious. Like look
yeah,
at
yeah,
her.
that's my favorite.
She does that all the time.
Who is your mom's favorite actor? This I don't even have to think about.
You better get this right.
This I will get right. 1, 2, 3. Show me.
Thank
Yes.
God.
Obviously,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
I know.
yeah, yeah.
She's been
I am obsessed
talking
with
about
him.
Amitabh Bachchan for as long as I can remember.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So, keep it. Sure. Okay. Close, because they're from Bollywood.
You won't believe I was going to write Shah Rukh first.
Mama,
But off
too
late,
bad. I
I'm
honestly thought you like Amitabh movies. You always. Okay.
what was your mom's reaction to your first relationship? So, show me yours.
Correct.
Huh. So
Yeah.
I wrote happy but because I know that she was a little nervous about.
But I was also, yeah, of course.
But I know that she
But
was happy.
I was
because-
excited.
because I think it was about time. So
About time, and
and
it's a completely different phase, you know, your child enters into, and definitely I wanted her to experience that.
yeah, she is basically
So I
my
think
best
I
friend,
was
so-
more excited than her.
Sean?
Very supportive and encouraging. I knew it.
Hush.
She's a cool mom, honestly.
Thank God.
Thank God she's like that.
Yeah, and this I knew. You
Otherwise, it
couldn't
would have been my last relationship.
Yeah, so when my daughter was in 10th standard, I remember that she had this chef wannabe friend. Okay, so on Mother's Day, basically, she went to his house and baked a cake with his help. And with the cake, she also took some biscuits, I don't know, random biscuits. She
Bourbon.
spread them on the tray and then she put that Nutella sauce and all that. And she just, you know, brought it to me at like 12 in the afternoon. Mama, this is something I've made for you. And that was so touching because, and ugly, yeah. Yeah, that's true. Because imagine biscuits with that Nutella.
And that
Not even
also-
Nutella. It was some like chocolate syrup.
It was,
Sorry.
I think-
I'm just, you know,
Yeah,
making
Nutella
fun
is
of it
great,
now.
that is.
So it was
But,
like chocolate syrup.
some syrup and like some
Also-
you
yeah.
know leftover biscuits ka something I
Huh,
made
huh.
with
But
the
then
cake.
what I really appreciated that she really went out of her way to do something. At that time, at that point, obviously she didn't know how to cook or anything. And the cake was very nice though because her chef friend
Yes.
helped her to make it.
Yeah, that person still gets
Yeah.
credit,
Yes.
but I brought the cake to her, so
Yeah, yeah. So that was good. Yeah.
Actually, every year my kids make it very special. For me, since childhood, they make lovely handmade cards for me, and that is the best part. Then we always go out for a lovely fancy dinner somewhere, you know, that is a thing. And I still remember one, I don't know their ages, but they were quite little, 10 and 5, I think Raina
Yeah.
was. And so we planned, it was a long weekend, so we planned to go away for Mother's Day, especially to Panchgani. And there, you know, we made it a very special deal. They made me cut a cake, and the lovely cards that they wrote. I still have those cards with me, by the way. And those cards were just like, you know, my tears were trickling down. They expressed so well, and all colorful, lovely, beautiful cards. So they do that for my birthday as well as for Mother's Day, and I love that about my
It's a
children.
ritual enough.
Yeah, and thank God, bade ho gaye, still they still
Yeah,
do
we
that.
still do that.
They haven't
Still do
forgotten, you know, they still
Yeah.
make that effort.
So I think this was around New Year's. My mom spends a lot of time like scrolling through these online fashion like clothing apps, and she wishlists most of the things they have, but she never gets around to actually buying them because she's not like materialistic as a person. But I felt like she deserved this one slip dress that she was looking at for a while, and she ended up wearing that dress on a date with my dad. I think it was New Year's or something, and I have a picture of it.
The black one, right?
The black one.
I love
Yeah.
that dress.
So they somehow they twinned and it worked out, and they just looked fab
It
together.
fitted me so well.
Yeah. So that was something that I was proud of because it fit her perfectly, and she looked so stunning in it.
Okay, the last gift. So I honestly love pampering my mom with gifts, and sometimes it'll be like a food dish, like a pani puri, something very basic. But the last gift I would say would be her favorite fragrance, which is Victoria's Secret.
Yes.
One of those fragrances, and she was really happy. She really wanted that from a long time, and she kept on trying it on in stores and everything, and saying, "Oh, how good is this?" and everything. So one day I just decided to save up some money and just bought it for her. And her reaction made it all worth it. Like, she was so happy. as if I got I don't know what for her.
But it was very expensive,
Yeah,
and I used to
yeah.
keep saying, I said, no, it's very expensive,
Yeah,
matlo.
she just kept
But that's why
asking.
he surprised me, and I
And
just.
she loved it. She loved it. So it was
Totally.
totally worth it.
And he's a champ. He knows a lot about
Yeah, fragrances is my specialty.
Yeah, totally.
Well, you'd be happy to know that I got you a little something for Mother's Day.
Wow.
And I think you're gonna love it because I think it's a very unique gift, not something I've thought of or given you earlier.
Okay.
So here it is. I hereby present to you the gift of wellness.
Wow.
It's all yours to explore.
Wow. It looks really nice. Let me see what are the contents inside.
Feel free,
Right.
it's yours now.
Wow. Oh, wow. Okay,
The
so
supplements
this is,
you were
okay.
talking about.
Yeah. Like I was, because now that I think I need these, the
Collagen,
collagen glow
hyaluronic
powder.
acid.
And yeah, these things are very important at my age. I thank you so much, and the hyaluronic acid, and I'm learning a lot about these things because I keep Googling, these
Yes,
things.
and
So
I'm
yeah,
also
I
into
just,
beauty, so I keep
oh yeah, right.
her updated
Oh,
on
man.
all the
Really good.
supplements and
Iron,
skincare she
oh.
needs.
Oh, this is so much needed. It's amazing, and I'm so happy. And multivitamins, I have been thinking about asking a doctor, for multivitamins. So I'm so happy that you have got me this. Thank you
Yay.
so
I'm just
much.
happy
I
that you
love
like it.
every product, so I'm going to add this to
Cherish.
my daily routine. Thank you,
Yes,
Bacha.
Of course. And I'm gonna maybe try these
Yeah.
out.
Right. Because
So, yeah.
you just cannot keep your hands off my stuff.
That's what I do.
Yeah, I
yes.
know that.
Yeah, I can't.
And speaking of gifts, I've got you one more special gift on this occasion of Mother's Day.
Really?
Yes, and it's this one. It's this hamper by Swisse. So I want you to
my
have a look at all the
God.
products.
That is something. You got me a gift.
Yes,
That is
I
so. Sure. I'm not surprised you give me. But this is a huge hamper.
Let's see what all is there.
Yes, I'll see it. Okay. So this is a collagen glow powder. Wow.
Yeah.
My age, I definitely need
Really?
it. Yes. So this is collagen glow. Anyway, my specs, I can read. You know how much I know, knowledge I have.
She loves
of
all this. She
yes.
loves this.
And whatever product I buy, I read first,
You
everything
have
in
to, yeah.
detail. This is Swisse collagen and hyaluronic acid. Oh
Up
my
full
god.
hyaluronic.
Oh
and,
my god. Aryan, I'm going to use each one of
From
this.
whatever little I've understood about skincare.
Absolutely.
I
And
knew this was good.
I'm just loving these things, Aryan.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. मैं हर एक चीज use करने वाली. Everything, I
I know
promise.
she'll use it.
Multivitamins, just see.
Yeah.
I'm always tired.
She has so many of these.
Yeah,
but
but-
I knew one more would be.
Yes, totally. Because अभी चाहिए energy.
She needs
है ना? After my yoga and all.
Use it whenever it's
Yes,
fine.
so this is for my first thing after nashta I'm gonna have. Okay?
Have it.
And iron. That
This
you
is-
know
this
I
I
have
knew-
low
this I knew
iron.
she
How
would need.
sweet are
And
they?
even Raina we can give it.
Oh,
My
brilliant,
sister.
yeah. I have low iron, उससे low blood pressure, तो ये भी
This is
daily.
also good.
That is so sweet, Aryan. एकदम काम की
It's
चीज है,
like
so
what-
sweet.
what's-
Thank you so
I know she would
much.
like it.
This is interesting as well as
It's
needed,
utility
utility as
based.
well, yeah.
So honestly, I think there are two things that she can start doing for herself. One is a little superficial. She doesn't spend much on herself for some reason. Like she's always, like I said, wish listing clothes and like postponing the things, buying things that she really wants, which I think is a disservice to herself. So she needs to kind of, invest in herself. And if she feels like she likes something, she should just go ahead and buy it. And secondly, I think she's a very kind person, and that's fab, obviously. But people do tend to take advantage of her, and I just feel like she needs to start drawing that boundary and standing up for herself more. So I know that she's trying to do it, and I see that it's happening. Yeah, I mean, I think that's
Yeah.
something that she can work on,
Yeah,
because
she's-
I am a little protective about her, so I just feel like that's something that she needs to start working on. So yeah, I mean,
So basically, she is my mirror. She tells me things, that I do realize that what she's saying is very right. And yeah, I'm definitely going to do that. Definitely.
I honestly feel like one thing my mom should really do for herself is stop stressing so much. She makes a big deal, she overthinks everything. She should take it easy, she should prioritize herself a little more. because she's always overthinking the small things. Oh, guests are here. Oh, I have to do this. Just chill,
Yeah.
enjoy life. We should take more vacation. You should chill out,
De-stress.
enjoy, and not make such
Everything
a big
is a
deal.
project. no?
Yeah,
But she's
don't
making
wo project thing. Don't do it. Just chill out, enjoy each day, take it easy, and enjoy your life. Honestly,
Thank
you
you,
should.
Dad.